006.
This car has to be beat up from in that wall. I've never seen it hit a wall that hard and be able to still grind. I hate that. I get so close to passing Jesse. And as soon as I get close to him, I feel like I hit a brick wall.
Still there at your door. Clear.
I think that's happening because he is faster than, the only reason I catch him is because he gets loose. How are these guys getting such a resurgence at the end of the race?
Man, I've lost all rear drive on my car.
I guess Robert saved his tires because he's still driving down low.
42.873.
Oh my gosh.
Gonna be 10 laps to go this time.
See ya, there he goes. Then counter steering like a bitch. I knew he was gonna get loose.
42.861.
He's riding up too close to the wall.
Forty-two point 777. Forty-two point 862. 42.942.
No shit.
Slow one up here in front of you.
Where is he?
Caution somewhere. Debris.
Wow, 5 to
Close.
go.
Behind the 10.
Ooh, shit. Didn't hit myself. Damn it, I thought that was my first full clean one the whole week.
Behind the 10. 5 to go this time.
Over 7 or 8. That's stuck.
Zero to go.
Caution should have came out like 10 laps or so.
Behind the 10.
And we're at turn 3.
The question is, do you pit now for 1 lap stint? I don't think so. Damn it, you bitches. And none of the leaders did it, though.
Alright, looks like you're going to be lining up behind the 16, 19. Get the lucky dog. Going to have a lap down car coming.
I'm just hoping I'm fast enough that I can stay in this position. I don't get overlapped.
I still don't understand how in the world you get a black flag passing or yellow when you go to the pit and the guy in front of you doesn't.
Well, wait, did he fake pitted though, right? Because I saw somebody fake pit.
I don't know if he even did that. I just went into the pit and it said passing under the yellow. I mean, I didn't pass him at all.
I was just
Get behind the 16.
and it screwed me over. I don't know. On top of it.
Yeah, 'cause I saw somebody do a fake pit.
I mean, I'm not going to pit now because it's almost over. How many laps you get? You just get like 3 or 4?
Probably not even that. Probably get 1.
No, I'm saying before they move you out of the race.
Oh, 3.
Well, it's going to be fun. I got new tires in the back.
Yeah, I don't know. The leader. This is funny because the leaders didn't pit, so
Pits are closed.
this is gonna be interesting.
Looks like 1 lap.
Yeah, I mean, if I see anybody balls to the wall, I guess I'll let them go.
I was hoping everybody would follow me down pit road behind me.
Now, when I saw the leader not pit, I was like, okay, I'm not doing it though.
Where's the pace there?
On the back stretch.
Second faster than you guys, though.
It's on the back stretch.
Alright, I'm not trying to be rude, so.
Fuck. This is gonna suck shit. I want to finish in the top 10, but I gotta defend 2 people with older tires.
Probably gonna be a big wreck anyhow. You the person when your tires right, one?
One
Yeah.
go. Now, unfortunately, we will be on the outside here.
I got that.
You'll be lining up behind at 15. 1 minute 43.764. 2 to go.
Yep, green, white checker.
Or caution.
Hey guys, watch on the start. Don't just slam the gas down when y'all spin your tires out. Wreck.
I don't know why the leaders did not pit. Gonna get fucked up. Oh, thank you, Vyasha18 for the follow. Welcome to the Jesse James channel. Alright, let's see how the hell this goes.
Coming to the green here, bud.
I don't
Get
think
those
it's gonna
tires
be
cleaned off,
nice
drag
at
those
all.
brakes.
I gotta hold off like 14 other guys behind me.
Race cars off, be ready. Green flag, green flag.
Oh, he
Hit my
spun
man
it, he
every lap,
spun it,
get
he
little.
spun it! Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Oh, shit!
Give me your temps there, bud. White flag, man.
I need
One
a-
more.
Oh, that was fucking
Close.
scary.
Come in, you'll be behind the 4.
I didn't do that.
I think it was those guys warming up their tires.
Nah, the leader lost it when he hammered it. He got past me 14.
Did the 4 car get damaged? Because he's got to go by me. What a wow, I'm gonna go like to 3rd place right now.
I'm not sure.
I don't know what the hell happened, but
Are you damaged? You able to get by me?
Pit road is open.
yeah, 4's not answering and I don't want to go by it, you know. He must be.
Looks like you'll be lining up behind
You
the
gonna
4.
stop 15? What's up? What's the deal?
I don't think we can cross. We'll get black flag.
Four car is supposed to be ahead of me. I think he's supposed to win the race. I think I'm supposed to come in second. So I'm not moving until he comes. Don't worry. As soon as the 4 comes by, I will go.
Yeah, where is the 4 car? You know what? Just go. I
White
don't
flag,
know.
white flag.
They're all going.
Coming to checkers. Good job, everybody. Way to work your ass off. Earl, good job up there. Thank you.
What's a
Good
bunch of
job,
fucking
man.
horse shit if you ask me.
I think somebody screwed up big time there.
I did too. I
It's
mean,
like I got 6 spots right there on that restart, and I didn't even get a 4X, and I squeezed through the middle.
I got an 8X. Somebody hit me after the wreck.
that was crazy though, dude. The way they spun, I was like, oh shit, here we go.
There was a black truck spinning right in front of me, and I just held it down, and when he spun perfectly, and I got by him without catching him.
I guess I could have got the win, but I don't know.
I can't believe that 11 truck won. He was spinning in the infield. He came up on track and I nailed him. I was in at like 12 or 14.